So what is up guys, it's Ledu back at it again. And so today's video guys, I'm gonna be finally installing my coilovers on my FG2. Damn, can't even see it. But yeah, so today's video is gonna be about installing my Godspeed Mono Maxx Coilovers. So just letting you know guys, I bought this used. That's why you guys can't see any backs, and it's kind of like rusted. I can clean them up, and I already tried loosening them up, tight them. There's no problem, it's not seized. So today we're gonna install these coilovers. I don't know if I'm gonna set it on the height I want, because I just know like a little bit of it, but like I don't really know how to dial coilovers, so I might go to the shop and get them aligned as well, because obviously after we put like coilovers, or we change the spring, or we change our ride height, we always need the alignment after, or else we're gonna like throwing some tires. Anyways, my front spring rate is 10, and my rear spring rate is 14. I think that's gonna be enough for me to practice my cornering in the truck. But like they were recommending 12 and 14. I might change the front spring rate in the future, like maybe midsummer or like after the truck. It depends. So for the front struts, you need to take this cover off, and you can just sneak in a ratchet. It's 14 mil. I already loosened it, so and same on the other side. I loosened this one as well too, so it's like I don't know if you guys can see it. There are 14 mil, and for the knuckle 219, this is 10. So we're just gonna take this one out. So yeah, break them loose, and then I'll use my gun, so it's like faster. And this is our brake lines, 10 mil, and that's basically it for the front. Okay, so the left front is on already, and it looks like it's gonna be slammed. So I'm just gonna tighten this up, and let's move over to the other side. So what I'm doing here, I'm just showing you guys this side only. It's because this side is basically the same as the other side, so there's no point of like filming this side too if you already know on this side. So I'm gonna tighten this one up, put the right front, and then we'll move over to the rear. So here's the front coilovers. It's finally installed, and by just looking at it, it looks like it's gonna tuck in from. It looks like the old owner was slammed the car before, but I'm just gonna adjust it later. I just wanna see it on the ground first before I adjust it, so I know how much inches I will gonna adjust the front and the rear as well. So let's get there, guys. So here's with the wheel on, still on the jack, and looks pretty low already. Look at, it's probably like 2, yeah. Can't even see it. So this is our front, so we're gonna move on to the back. Also for this one, you don't have to tighten it, like you don't have to put force to tighten it, like literally just like one click, because I snapped the bolt before, like on my old car, so don't do that. So just tighten it really light, and let's go to the rear. Okay, so we have some problem here. So this bolt is rounded already. This, I don't know if you can see it. Well, this bolt is not, wait, here you go. It's not rounded yet, but I feel like it's going there, so I didn't even try to break it. So we're just gonna go to grab some pocket torch and try to torch this, and then we'll go from there.
One week later.
Alright, so the rear is finally done, and I'm still gonna adjust it. It's like one and a half finger, 2, yeah, I guess 2. And then the front, I'm still gonna adjust this too. It's kind of like tucked in, or like 1 finger. That's probably good enough, 1 finger. And it's not even, like this side is more tucked in than the other side. If you look at it, it's more tucked in. So I'm gonna adjust this, and this one is kind of like almost the same, 2 finger. So that's basically it, guys. Took me a while to take my rear coilovers, but there's like ups and downs, you know. So I learned my lesson. If you're gonna buy used, make sure you check everything. And thankfully I only have to worry about like that bushing that is missing, but other than that it's mint. And yeah, the bolt, typical 8 gen or typical Civic, they say it's normal. So just make sure to double check when you are trying to buy used parts, not just the coilovers, just in general. And I'll see you on my next video.